Relax!
This is your order.
Init lang.
Hey guys, we're going
to Bacolod.
The city of Smile. Tapos na kami sa City of Love.
Diba? Dito na kami ngayon sa Roro. Mainit na. Paano magbukas ng daw? Ito yung lupa nila. Wow. Ano pa lang ba? Hi guys, so nandito na kami sa Mambucal Resort. Ang entrance is 140 for adult, regular. So, one pool and one hot spring.
Yeah.
Yan, yun yung kasama sa bayad. Later lang kami. So, punta na kami sa aming first stop, which is pool, hot spring. So, dito pwede ka mag-check-in for overnight. pwede ring day tour. Kami is day tour lang. Kung sa Little Red Riding Hood. Kasi nawala yung shades ko. Naiwan ko sa Isla Gigante, sa Carles. So, tiis-tiis tayo sa maaraw. Say hi!
Hi guys!
Actually, ngayon is Thursday. So, konti lang yung tao kasi it's a weekday. Pero di kami sure if pag weekend is madami rin tao. But, yeah.
Hi guys! Dito kami sa hot spring. Hi guys! So, kakatapos lang namin sa dipping pool. So, next is waterfalls. So, akit lang kami doon. Papuntang waterfalls. This one is yung dipping pool. How was it?
It's good and
It's good. Sobrang init, pero wala kami mga kasabayan namin dito yung mga seniors na para sa kanilang mga arthritis. Kami lang yung bata dito. Kasi it's a weekday. So, kunti lang yung mga tao. And, yeah. Ang daming bat. Ang daming paniki. So, punta na kami ngayon sa waterfalls. Welcome to waterfalls. Okay.
hindi na pwede.
Bawal na waterfalls.
Ay, sarado. Oo.
So, abort mission. Wala palang waterfalls.
Close siya today.
Closed siya. I think hindi lang today. Closed talaga siya.
Oh, parang hindi
Kasi parang abandoned na yung daanan. Punta na kami sa Hot Sulphur. Kanina it's Hot Spring. Hot Spring dipping pool. Ngayon is Hot Sulphur. Maganda dito. Sobrang relaxing. If fan kayo ng nature. Ito yung lagoon. Be careful lang. So, kung pupunta kayo dito, magbaon kayo ng sunscreen and then mosquito repellent kasi madaming lamok since ano siya, madamo. Papalik na kami. After is punta na kami Don Salvador. After Don Salvador is magkakampwestuhan naman kami. So, doon na kami magla-lunch sa Don Salvador. See you guys there! Dito kami ngayon sa Kusinata. Morning.
Barbecue back ribs, yung solo lang.
So, TBL.
Yun na lang. Water lang.
Okay, isang TBL and solo back ribs. Thank you.
So, hi guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Kotsinata. Kasi dapat punta kami sa Jomax Peak. Pero kasi it's view deck lang siya. So, wala siyang kainan. Ito si JP, nagbi-video lang siya. Kasi it's overlooking view. Ang ganda. Tapos makikita mo dun yung falls. We're just waiting for our food. Ang ganda rin dito kasi it's sobrang ganda ng ambience ng place. And the good thing kasi konti lang yung tao. So,
Ganda dito guys. Worth it yung pag-akit namin.
ito na yung food guys. Ito yung baby back ribs, barbecue. Yeah! KBL. Hello! Ito yung tour guide namin. This is the view from Jomax Peak. Meron dun rice terraces. And then, say hi! Hi everyone! So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Jomax Peak. And sobrang ganda. Ilang tayo nakaka-OOTD today. From city, ilang minuto yung ride?
From city is 1 hour.
1 hour. Ganda! So, magpipicture lang kami. Dito, dito, and dito. Let's picture. Love.
Butterflies are floating like your red hair in the breeze. Spring awakening, new love takes me into lilac dreams. Lay beside me, whisper softly.
Saan tayo?
Babay na. So cute. Tinamaan ko.
Let's go, let's go! So, ay nabutan ko to. Itong 10. Ito yung baon ko dati nung black. Ito, nabutan ko to. Tsaka ito. Yeah.
Sometimes you're physically bound down, but mentally gone 10 years ahead. You dream of something you don't really want, and when you return, everyone has moved on. Follow tradition, you do this and that. Place a rock on a stone, no, it won't bring them back. You're mourning, waiting for this pain to pass. If you didn't help, then you just need to ask. Will it get easier to go? Or are you lying to yourself? Easier to go. Lying to yourself.
Hi guys. This is your order.
Kumorder kami ng bok choy. And then, dalawang halo-halo kasi wala silang mais con yelo.
Look at that! This is for you! This is for you!
Yum, yum, yum. Uwi na kami from swimming. Time to go. Bye! Yan. Kasi ito yung pet show. Ito yung paa.
Basic.
Water. Yung water na doon. The aftermath. Sulit, guys. How was it, love?
Sobrang sarap, guys.
Take out. Bound to Manila.